Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at an Apple Watch stand. Now, it's been a while since I reviewed one of these, so let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a watch stand from Haptime, a company called Haptime off Amazon. They hit me up and they asked me if I wanted to do an Apple Watch stand video. It's been a while, so let's see exactly what it looks like. It's about 10 bucks on Amazon, pretty cheap. So I mean, like, it looked good in the pictures. I don't know if you guys can see from right there. Looks pretty dope. So let me just check this out. So here's the packaging itself. I don't know why I had to show you the picture when it was right there. Haptime. And on the back there, pretty simple. So this won't be a long video, hopefully not. So here it goes. That's what it comes in. Alright, so you have your manual, how to set everything up. Apple Watch charging stand, installation instructions. So you just put your cable wire in there, inside the little groove. And just watch like that. And so it's not going to charge your phone, but it will make it stand up. It would have been cool if you could put the charger in there, but it's 10 bucks. Let's see what happens. Alright, so I have the cable right here. So let's just pop this baby in, see what it looks like. So it goes behind, and on the bottom, you can see that right there. So just leave that right there. And it would have been nice to have like a little section here that you could tuck this in. Let's see if I could tuck it in here, maybe. No. What's this? Well, I don't know what that is, but I think we have this so it won't fall off your table. It's a nice little grippy material. So you put that right there. Then you put your phone right here, just like that. Then you put your watch right behind it. So charge right there. So the watch is charging. Oh man. So the watch is charging, but you can't really see the clock because it is in the way, but you can see your notifications of your phone if you want to turn it on or not. So pretty simple. Haptime Apple Watch stand, 10 bucks. Try it out. If you don't like it, it's just 10 bucks. So it's pretty simple. Check it out. It's a hard plastic material, so it's pretty sturdy actually. So if you guys want to pick it up, Haptime logo right in front. So if you guys want to buy this Apple Watch stand, I will have a link down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Apple Watch products and more tech to come. Also, you can do it that way if you want to. But I'll definitely leave it on the table because this looks like it might fall over. Maybe. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Big shout out to Haptime.